Do you ever get confused with the Swedish pronouns? Do you ever struggle to know if you should use jag, mitt, min, mina, mig? Then this video is for you. Don't worry, today I will do my best to help you learn the pronouns in Swedish and to learn when to use subjektspronomen, objektspronomen, and possessiva pronomen. By the end of this video, you will be able to make simple sentences using different kinds of pronouns right away. So let's get started. The first one that you always learn is subjektspronomen. Subjektspronomen. In English, they are called subject pronouns, and they are the common ones like I, you, he, she, and so on. In Swedish, subjektspronomen replace the subject of a sentence. That means the person that is doing something or doing the action in the sentence. And it answers the question, who is doing it? So here are the subjektspronomen in Swedish. Try to repeat after me. Jag, du, han, hon, den, det, vi, ni, dom. You can see here that they are spelled de, de. However, you usually pronounce it like dom, dom. So pay special attention to this one because the spelling and the pronunciation are a little bit different. And here are some example sentences. Jag är lärare. Jag är lärare. Du pratar svenska. Du pratar svenska. Han gillar kaffe. Han gillar kaffe. Hon bor i Sverige. Hon bor i Sverige. Det regnar. Det regnar. Here again, you can hear when you say det fast in a sentence together with other words, it almost sounds like det. Det regnar. Vi spelar fotboll. Vi spelar fotboll. Ni jobbar hårt. Ni jobbar hårt. De är glada. De är glada. So the best tip I can give you when it comes to speaking natural Swedish is to pay special attention to dom. Dom, and pronounce it correctly. It will make a big difference. The next one is objektspronomen, object pronoun, and objektspronomen replace the object in a sentence. So it's the person or thing receiving the action. And here, pay special attention to the pronunciation because they're a bit different from the spelling. Mig, mig, dig, dig, honom, honom, henne, henne, den, det. These are the same from the subjektspronomen we talked about earlier. Oss, oss, er, er, dom, dom. And here again, you see the spelling is D-E-M, but we don't pronounce it dem, we pronounce it dom. So try to not get confused between dom and dom. They are spelled differently, but the pronunciation is the same. Here are some example sentences with objektspronomen. Hon ser mig. Hon ser mig. Jag träffar dig. Jag träffar dig. Vi hjälper honom. Vi hjälper honom. De känner henne. De känner henne. Jag hör det. Jag hör det. Ni ser oss. Ni ser oss. In Swedish, the object pronoun usually comes after the verb in a main clause, like jag älskar dig. They comes after the verb älskar. The last one I'm going to bring up in this video is possessiva pronomen, possessive pronouns. And here again, you have to pay special attention because in Swedish, you can just say my for everything, but in Swedish, it changed to min, mitt, or mina depending on the noun in the sentence. So now on the screen you can see all of the possessive pronouns in Swedish, and you might notice that some of them have 3 different forms, like min, mitt, mina. And this is because of the substantive, the noun in the sentence. So if the sentence has an en substantive, like en bok, en stol, or something like this, then you would use min. So for example, min stol är röd. Min bok är rolig. If the noun is an ett substantive, then you would use mitt. Mitt hus är stort. Mitt hus är stort. Mitt bord är litet. Mitt bord är litet. And if the substantive noun is in plural form, then you would use mina. And here the n and et doesn't matter. All nouns that are in plural is written together with mina. Like, mina vänner är snälla. Mina böcker är gamla. So when learning possessive pronouns, always remember to check if the noun is an n, ett, or if it's written in plural. That will help you make the correct decision. So this was a quick guide to subjektspronomen, objektspronomen och possessiva pronomen. Now I want you to make a sentence in Swedish using any of these pronomen and write them in the comments. If you can, try to use one subjektspronomen, one objektspronomen, and one possessiva pronomen. It doesn't have to be in the same sentence, of course. I will check all of them and correct you if necessary. Unfortunately, there are other types of pronomen in Swedish as well, such as reflexiva pronomen or demonstrativa pronomen, but that's on a little bit more advanced level, so I will bring that up in another video instead. So for now, try and focus on these 3, and it will make your Swedish a lot stronger. Ask me any questions that you might have in the comments, and please subscribe for more content like this. If there's any other grammar or anything else that you find difficult with Swedish, let me know in the comments and I can make a more detailed video on that topic. Tack och vi ses!